Hello students, welcome to the Krish Cambridge School online classes. This is the class for 6th. Our subject is English and today we will be discussing the question and answer of your chapter 2 January night. This chapter we have already discussed in our previous videos and I have explained the whole story to you in the simplest word, okay? And I hope that all of you remember the story. So before starting the class, let me ask you all that how are you all? I hope that all of you must be fine and safe at your home and must be enjoying and learning new things, okay? So if we talk about this chapter, January night, if you really remember, there were 3 characters. Halku, his wife, Munni and Jabra was his dog. And the story was that how he actually spent a night, you can say the coldest night of January in his field. Okay, so we will be discussing the question and answers of this chapter, which is on the page number 11th. So I would request all of you to please take out page number 11. The pictures I have put here are only for the reference. If they are not so clear, you can take out your book and keep a pencil in your hand. So let us start our class now. So students, before starting the class, keep a pencil in your hand and try to recognize the story. The story was that Halku was asked to give all the money to his landlord because he was having so many debt on himself. Halku had saved the money for getting a new blanket because he really wanted to survive in this cold nights in his field. But what happened? He gave all his money and at last when he somehow tried to burn the leaves and there was some hotness near him in the night, he finally slept and the whole field was ruined by the animals and Halku was barking the Jabra was barking but Halku didn't pay any attention and at last the field was ruined, okay? And at last what Halku thought that finally I will not have to live in this field in this cold nights, okay? I hope that you remember. Now we will start our first question, which is, yes. In many ways, Premchand's stories deal with the privileged class. Okay, in many ways, Premchand's stories deal with dash of the privileged class. जो प्रेमचंद की जो स्टोरीज है, मिस्टर प्रेमचंद हैज रिटन दिस स्टोरीज. सो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ स्टोरीज ही एक्चुअली इंक्लूड्स, किस टाइप की स्टोरीज वो इंक्लूड करते हैं? प्रिविलेज क्लास के बारे में वो क्या बताते हैं बेटा? उनकी सीरियल के बारे में बताते हैं, उनके कॉमेडी के बारे में बताते हैं या क्रुएल्टी एंड प्राइड के बारे में बताते हैं? व्हाट विल बी योर आंसर? यस, रिमेंबर दैट. व्हाट विल बी योर आंसर? द आंसर विल बी this, cruelty and pride, the third one. This will be your answer, the cruelty and pride. This is what Munshi Premchand discussed in his stories, which we have learnt, which we have read about. When you will come on the page number 8, you will read about the Munshi Premchand and you will read that in many of his stories he deals with the cruelty and pride of the privileged classes. Okay, I hope you got it till here. Yes. तो आप क्या करेंगे? अब आंसर नंबर जो सी है आपका क्रुएल्टी एंड प्राइड, उसको आप टिक करेंगे एंड यू विल फिल दिस आंसर इन दिस ब्लैंक. इन मैनी वेज प्रेमचंद स्टोरीज डील विद क्रुएल्टी एंड प्राइड ऑफ द प्रिविलेज्ड क्लास. ओके, या लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड नाउ to the question number 2. January night is originally called the. January night को ओरिजिनली क्या कहा जाता है बेटा? मंत्रा कहा जाता है, पूस की रात कहा जाता है या नमक का दरोगा? यस, try to remember that what actually do we call this January night. If you will come on the page number 8, when you will be reading about Munshi Premchand, the last line, the story has been taken from the collection of stories of Premchand. This is translated by David Rubin. January night is originally called as पूस की रात. इसे क्या कहा जाता है बेटा? पूस की रात कहेंगे हम. इसे क्या कहेंगे? पूस की रात. दिस इज योर आंसर. द आंसर इज बी, पूस की रात हम इसे कहेंगे. टेक दिस आंसर, टेक दिस आंसर. दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर. या दिस वन हियर. ओके, here. What you will do? You will tick your answer here. This is the correct answer. I hope you got it that January night is originally called the पूस की रात. इसे क्या कहा जाता है बेटा? पूस की रात कहा जाता है. I hope that you have done it till here and it is very much easy. These are all the easy questions जो आपने अपनी चैप्टर में पढ़े हैं. Okay, let's move to the next page now. Yeah. Munni was the dash, Halku's wife, landlord's wife or an old woman. Munni कौन थी बेटा? If you remember, yes. When you will remember, you will find that she was Halku's wife. वो कौन थी बेटा? हल्कू की wife थी. Okay, Halku's wife. She was Halku's wife. Okay, I hope you got it all that Munni was sweeping her house when Halku came to take the money. So Munni was the wife of Halku. She was Halku's wife. Yes, take this answer and write this answer here. Here you will write the answer. Okay, yes. Let's now move forward. Who was Halku? Halku कौन था बेटा? He was a landlord. वो ज़मींदार था, एक गरीब किसान था, पुअर फार्मर, और एक या फिर एक बहुत ही वेल्दी फार्मर जिसके पास बहुत सारा पैसा हो. धनी जिसे कहते हैं ना बेटा, वो फार्मर था या गरीब था या वो एक ज़मींदार था. Yes. If you will remember that Halku was poor, that's why he was not having money to buy the blanket. So our answer will be this, the poor farmer. Halku was poor farmer. Halku was poor farmer. So tick out this answer. Yes. Tick this answer and write it down here. Okay. Write it down here. Halku was a poor farmer. Okay. I hope you got it. Yes, we have done it till here. Next question. Who was Jabra? बेटा जबरा कौन था? हल्कू सर्वेंट था. हल्कू का जो है वो नौकर था. हल्कू का ब्रदर था. हल्कू's brother और a dog. He was a dog. Who was Jabra? Jabra was a dog. क्या था बेटा? Jabra was a dog. I hope all of you remember that Jabra was a dog. Okay, but he was like a brother to Halku. Okay, yes. So this will be your answer. This will be your answer. This dog will be your answer. Take it down and write it in front of the question. Who was Jabra? Jabra was Halku's dog. He was a dog. Okay, I hope you got it till here. Yes. Now let's look at this question now. What was Munni doing when Halku entered in the house? जब हल्कू घर में आया तो मुन्नी क्या कर रही थी? She was cooking food, she was sweeping or she was washing clothes. What she was doing? Yes, I hope you remember that she was sweeping. वो क्या कर रही थी बेटा? झाड़ू लगा रही थी. Sweeping. Yes. So your answer will be this, sweeping. Okay. This will be your answer, sweeping. Okay. I hope you got it till here and you must have marked all the questions. So can we move forward now? I hope that we can. Yes, tick all the answer. The answer for the first will be cruelty and pride. The second answer is पूस की रात. Okay. The answer of question third is Halku's wife. The answer of fourth is poor farmer. The answer of fifth is a dog. And the answer number 6 is sweeping. Okay. Let's move forward to the next question. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Yes. Munshi Premchand is the greatest figure in 20th century, 20th Hindi literature, 20th century Hindi literature. When you will come to the page number 8 and when you will read about the Munshi Premchand, that's why I was telling you कि हमारा writer के बारे में जानना बहुत ज़्यादा important है, because this gives us so much information. So the first line is Munshi Premchand is the greatest figure in 20th century Hindi literature. वो हिंदी लिटरेचर के 20th सेंचुरी के बहुत बड़े एक लेखक थे. सो आंसर विल बी 20th. ओके, राइट इट डाउन, 20th. Yes, I hope you got it. Now let's look at this question. The story January night is originally called. The story January night को originally क्या कहा जाता है बेटा? This is what we have discussed in the previous question also. Yes. किस नाम से जाना जाता है? पूस की रात. Okay. The same answer will be here. You will write here पूस की रात. Okay. पूस की रात. Okay. Write it down in the answer number 2 in fill-ups. Okay. Now let's read this. The next question. The story is translated by. Story को किसने translate किया है बेटा? Yes, David Rubin ने. David Rubin have translated this story, okay, into English. This was previously in Hindi. Now it is translated in English, okay. English से translate कर, हिंदी से इसे translate करके English में किया गया है जो आज आप पढ़ रहे हैं, okay. I hope you got it till here. Yes. The fourth one is Halku was a poor. Who was Halku? Halku was a poor farmer. He was a poor farmer. This is your answer number 4th. Write it down, students. Okay, I hope that you have written this answer. Now we will come here. Suddenly, Jabra picked up the dash of some animals. What happened? What did Jabra did? Jabra ने क्या किया? Jabra suddenly picked up the noise of the animals. Noise. Animals की आवाज़ को जबरा ने सुन लिया था. Okay? जबरा ने animals की आवाज़ को सुन लिया था. So he picked up the noise of animals. So your answer will be noise. Okay? Yes. Write it down. So the answer will be the first one. Answer will be the 20th century Hindi literature. The story January night is originally called Poos Ki Raat. The story is translated by David Rubin. Halku was a poor farmer. Suddenly Jabra picked up the noise of some animals. Fill all these answers fast. Yes. I hope that you have filled all the answers because I have explained each and everything to you. Now let's move to the next question, which is true and false. Okay? Yes. We will be doing this true and false. Munni was cooking the food when Halku entered the house. No. What Munni was doing? Munni was sweeping. जो हल्कू की वाइफ थी वो क्या कर रही थी बेटा? वो झाड़ू लगा रही थी when Halku came to the house. So the answer will be false. Okay. First answer क्या होगा हमारा बेटा? False. That will be false. Write it down. False. Okay. Let's move on to the second question. Yeah. Halku wanted to give all money to the landlord. हल्कू सब पैसे अपने लैंडलॉर्ड को देना चाहता था. हाँ, देना चाहता था. Yes, because he wanted not to be abused by him. वो नहीं चाहता था कि उसे अब्यूज किया जाए. ओके, कि लैंडलॉर्ड उसे अब्यूज करे. इसलिए वो क्या कर रहा था बेटा? अपने सारे पैसे उसे देना चाहता था. ओके, give all his money because वो उससे अब्यूज नहीं होना चाहता था. ओके, सो द आंसर विल बी हियर ट्रू. ट्रू का आंसर क्या होगा बेटा? ट्रू. ओके, यस. नाउ लेट्स कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. हल्कू हैड मेनी ब्लैंकेट्स सो ही डिड नॉट गेट एनी ब्लैंकेट. हल्कू के पास बहुत सारे ब्लैंकेट्स थे इसलिए उसने ब्लैंकेट नहीं खरीदा. दिस इज फॉल्स. वाई? बिकॉज हल्कू के पास तो कोई ब्लैंकेट था ही नहीं. दिस इज वाई, दैट्स वाई ही वॉज सेविंग हिज मनी टू बाय अ न्यू ब्लैंकेट. बिकॉज ठंड में उसे ब्लैंकेट चाहिए था इसीलिए. ओके, या. नाउ हल्कू ले ऑन अ बैम्बू कॉट इन द डार्क समर नाइट रैप्ड इन हिज ओल्ड शॉल. यस, दिस इज false. I have written true. This is false. Okay. Halku lay on a bamboo cot in the dark summer night. That was not a summer night. That was a winter night. So your answer for the 5th will be false. Okay. Please mark what I am telling you. The answer 5th will be false. Okay, false. Because हल्कू को क्या हो रहा था बेटा, हल्कू कहाँ पे लेट गया था, उसने खुद को कैसे रैप कर लिया था अपनी शॉल में, क्या गर्मी में उसने खुद को रैप किया था, इन द समर्स और इन द विंटर्स? आई हैव टोल्ड यू इन द स्टोरी, इन द विंटर. ओके, द लास्ट हियर इज Jabra was laying with Halku in his lap. This is true. Yes. The sixth answer will be true. Please mark it down, all the questions, all the answers which I have told you. Yeah, the answer for the first will be false. The answer for the second will be true. The answer for the third will be false. The answer for the fourth will be true. The answer for the fifth will be false. And the answer for the sixth will be true. Okay? Write it down fast. I am giving you a minute. Okay? Write it down. Then we will move forward to the next question. Okay? Yeah, we will be discussing the next question. So, till here we have completed your activity A. Activity A complete कर लिए हमने, B and C. Okay? Yes. Till here we have completed all these 3 activities. Okay, let's move forward now. Who said to whom? ये बात who said to whom, किसने किसको कही, इस बारे में अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके, यस, दिस इज वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग हियर. ये बात किसने किससे कही, यू विल ऑल्सो थिंक अबाउट इट. बट देयर आर 3 rupees. इफ यू हैव गिवन देम, वेयर्स द ब्लैंकेट टू गोइंग कम फ्रॉम? हमारे पास सिर्फ 3 ही रुपए हैं. अगर आपने ये पैसे भी दे दिए तो ब्लैंकेट कहाँ से आएगा? ये बात किसने कही बेटा? इफ यू रियली रिमेंबर, दिस वॉज सेड बाय मुन्नी, क्योंकि मुन्नी क्या चाहती थी कि वो पैसे ना दे टू हल्कू. ओके, राइट इट डाउन. मुन्नी टू हल्कू. क्या लिखेंगे? ये बात किसने कही बेटा? मुन्नी ने कही. मुन्नी टू हल्कू. ओके, या, राइट इट डाउन. टू हल्कू. Because what happened, she was worried because he was giving all his money to the landlord, but he wanted a new blanket to survive in this wintry nights. But what happened, he gave all his money to the landlord. He wanted to give all his money to the landlord, but Munni was not happy. Okay, yes, let's do the second one now. You just tell me what other plan can be found. Is somebody going to give you a blanket? तो मुझे ये बताओ कि तुम्हारे पास कोई दूसरा प्लान भी है कि तुम्हें कोई और ब्लैंकेट दे देगा. क्या तुम्हें कोई और ब्लैंकेट दे देगा? ये तुम्हारे पास कोई और प्लान है इसके लिए? ये बात किसने कही बेटा? ये बात फिर से, दिस वाज सेड बाय मुन्नी टू हल्कू. ओके, टू हल्कू. दिस वाज सेड बाय मुन्नी टू हल्कू. ओके, मुन्नी ने किसको कही बेटा? ये बात कही हल्कू को कि तुम्हारे पास कोई और प्लान है जिससे कि तुम एक और ब्लैंकेट खरीद सकते हो या तुम्हें कोई और ब्लैंकेट देगा. ओके, लेट अस डिस्कस द थर्ड वन. Cold Jabra, didn't I tell you in the house you could lie in the paddy straw, so why did you come here? बहुत ठंड है जबरा, मैंने तुमसे कहा था कि तुम घर में ही रहो और वहाँ पे पैडी स्ट्रॉ में बैठ जाओ, वहाँ पे जो भी घास है उसमें बैठ जाओ, पर तुम यहाँ पे क्यों आए हो? ओके, दिस इज सेड बाय हल्कू टू, किसको कहा गया बेटा? जबरा को. ओके, द डॉग. हल्कू टू जबरा. ओके, write this down here. You have to put with just one more cold night. Tomorrow I will spread some straw. You wouldn't feel the cold. Now ये किसने कहा है कि एक रात और निकाल लो तुम ठंड में? In the next day I will spread some straw. और तुम्हें ठंड नहीं लगेगी. Yes, again this is told by Halku to Jabra, because he saw that Jabra was feeling cold. Okay, yes, so these were the questions which we will be discussing today. Okay, This question we have already discussed. Tick the correct option. Okay, this Phillips we have discussed, this true false, and these questions too. So your assignment for today will be to note down all these questions. सभी questions आप अपने notebook में note down करेंगे, and you will learn and read all these questions. Okay, whenever the school will open, I will be taking the test of this chapter, and we will be discussing all the remaining question in the next part, in the next video. Till then, what you will do, you will learn all these questions with your whole heart. Okay, and you will study at your home. You will not go anywhere. Just stay at your home and study and keep on attending these online sessions. कोई भी session आप नहीं छोड़ेंगे. Keep on doing your assignments छोड़ देंगे अगर आप अभी नहीं करेंगे तो आपके पास बहुत ज़्यादा burden हो जाएगा. Okay, so till then just stay at your home, stay happy, stay safe, and be positive. Keep on learning new things, because learning new things will help you. आप तो पूरी book अपनी read कर सकते हैं बैठे बैठे. You can read all the stories, all the chapters, and try to do all the question answers, so that जब तक school आपके start होंगे आप पूरा सब कुछ पढ़ चुके होंगे. ओके, एंड जब मैम आपको फिर से पढ़ाएंगी तो आप बहुत अच्छे से कनेक्ट कर पाएंगे. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू अगेन फॉर अटेंडिंग दिस क्लास. थैंक यू सो मच.